Guys, welcome again to Alison Musia Ideas TV. This is where we share business ideas. So today for beginners, I want to show you guys how to make bar soap step by step for beginners, guys. For any question, I will be leaving my WhatsApp number there. For any question you've been asking, so you can WhatsApp me or comment or comment section, guys. So I want to show you step by step how to make bar soap. So watch this video at the end and don't forget to subscribe. Give me the up, guys. It's free. Subscribe is free. And then I'm going to give this content for free, guys. I'm not expert. I always say that I'm not expert. Disclaimers, I'm not expert, guys. I just want to show you my ideas, what I do. Okay, guys. So I'm not expert. That is disclaimer. I'm not expert, guys. Okay, so watch the video until the end and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click notification bell if I post this video. You'll be number one to watch. Okay, so watch this video at the end, guys. Okay, so I want to show you my graded what I'm going to use. I have oil. I have oil 1 liter. This is oil 1 liter. I have perfume. This is a perfume. I have foaming agent. Then this is a scale. I have scale. I have my basin here empty. I have lye. This is called lye, caustic soda. Then I have my mold. So if you are not yet watch this previous video, go and watch all my video. You'll find how I make this mold, okay, and how I can help guys. Also I have this one. This is a mix of soap powder, okay. So I want now to start making this. So I'm going to pour here for this version. You can use either lye or oil. You can use any. So but for me, I'm going to pour oil first. So second, I'm going to pour lye. Okay guys, so I'm going to pour my oil here. This is 1 liter oil, palm oil. Okay, I already measured my material. So if you want to know more about measurement, WhatsApp me or comment on comment section. Okay, so what next? After pouring my oil, this is my oil. I'm going to pour caustic soda. You must pour slowly, okay. So I'm going to pour slowly by slowly, okay. So I'm going to pour slowly. After pour it, so I'm going to mix vinculously, small vinculously, until it trace thick. Now it's forming now. Vinculously. So you can use silicate, but for me today I'm not going to use silicate.